Hello guys, we're gonna harvest makra puwang. This is turkey berry. This is good for nampi-kapi. Okay, this is organic guys. My Thai friend like this so much. Kaya manguha tayo for her. Daming bunga guys, daming bunga. Here oh. Naka-bunch talaga sila. This is like little eggplants. Ayan, this is organic. We can eat this fresh also. Pwede din ito sa mga pwede din ito sa mga curry. Nilalagay nila ito sa mga curry. Daming bunga guys. And continuous yung pagbunga niya. As in continuous yung pagbunga. Walang sawang namumunga. That's why I love this. Diba? Ganito. Oh. Careful guys. Mayroon siyang mga tinik-tinik. Siya matinik-tinik guys. Ayan. Hindi kasi nagdala ng lalagyan. Kaya puno ng kamay. And then gonna harvest more later. Ayan guys, turkeys berry. Thank you so much guys for watching.